Mm-hmm. 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 Let's go.
Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making deep fried turkey. You will need 1 turkey. For today's recipe, I'll be using an 11-pound turkey, 1 16-ounce jar of Zatarain's Creole butter, 1 tablespoon of Creole seasoning, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of salt, and peanut oil for frying. To a small bowl, add the black pepper and Creole seasoning. Now add the onion powder and salt, then whisk until well combined. Make sure your turkey has been thoroughly rinsed and dried. Now inject your turkey with the Creole butter. Make sure the syringe goes directly into the meat and not just under the skin. As you inject, gradually pull the syringe out, redirect it, reposition it, then evenly distribute your marinade throughout the turkey. Now generously brush your turkey with your Creole butter, then apply your seasoning. To fry my turkey, I'll be using a Masterbuilt electric fryer, which is safe to use indoors. Whether you're using an indoor or outdoor turkey fryer, make sure to practice proper safety measures. Have your fire extinguisher nearby. Keep children and animals away, and if you're cooking outdoors, make sure your fryer is away from any structures. Preheat your oil to 375 degrees. Place your turkey in the basket, then transfer it to your deep fryer. Making sure you are properly shielded from any spill or splatter, and following the directions that came with your fryer, carefully and slowly lower your turkey into the oil, then allow your turkey to cook based on its weight. The general rule for deep fried turkey is 3.5 minutes per pound. So for my 11-pound turkey, I'll be frying it for 39 minutes, or until it reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees. If you'd like a printable version of this recipe, please visit my website at soulfoodcooking101.com. A link is in the description below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel, where I get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. And so for cooking class, you will learn to grab